One of the skills that we work on is visual processing. And when we talk about visual processing, we really talking about visual spatial abilities. And these are people who are really good at puzzles. They're really good at packing a bag. They're really good at packing the trunk. Okay, and what do you do if you have a child who struggles with these things? Well, one way is to do puzzles. Start with simple puzzles, fewer pieces, and puzzles that have more differentiation between the puzzle pieces. As you progress, you can get to puzzles that have more pieces, but even more so, you might have parts of the puzzle that are almost 100% blue or 100% gray or 100% black, because it makes it more challenging to figure out which pieces fit in together. And you're really using the visual ability to look how those puzzle pieces fit together as opposed to just the picture. Another aspect is using tangrams. There are many books out there that you have these pictures of an object like a bird or a plane or something using these tangrams. And can you rearrange those tangrams, which are those plastic pieces that are triangles, squares, parallelograms, rectangles, etc. Can you rearrange those shapes into that actual picture? And if your child struggles with that, maybe put one or two pieces in to get them started and gradually fade that prompt. There are also books where you can learn how to draw. And so the ability to be able to visually see, here's your square and here are the squares in between and where the lines go, helps to be able to see that relationship between those lines, the big picture, and the smaller lines that create that bigger picture. And then there are games like blockers and cubits that you can play that can help create that three-dimensional ability to rotate and manipulate images. So practice with puzzles, gradually make those more difficult, and then throw in some curveballs like some blockers or cubits to make it a little bit more interesting.